So I've decided the best way to do this, just to keep things separate, is just to right click this. And why do I say right click? Well, we can right click and detach, or I prefer to do it there. I don't know why I always say right click and change it up. What we want to do is we're going to take this now and we're going to take the pass through to like 50%. That way we can make sure that this is scaled up and in the correct position right around there. And then we can take our home, these buttons, let's get this back to 100%, and put them exactly where we want them to reside. And then that way we can bring this in as necessary. We can right click and ungroup this, and perhaps 2/3 right around there should be good. Now we can take these and go ahead and create a component out of it. So this will be our mobile, let's see, navigation. I think we have one maybe named that already. Let me look at how I name these in my components, or if I go to tablet rather. So mobile, we want to put mobile navigation. Might have to rethink the naming convention of these. So let me grab this. We'll just put mobile navigation. We'll rethink those better for the design system. So now we take this, we push it out here, and then we take this main component. And by the way, we're going to have to real quickly just delete these because those aren't using the components. So we're going to copy this, paste it, paste it, paste it, and paste it. There we go. Now this is the master component, so we can go to our prototype. Let me close out this thing right here. There we go. And we will push it to this, and on click we will open overlay. We will make it top right, and then for animation we'll move in right there. So if we click play, it'll load up in a second. Click on it, there we go. And it's also toggling back and forth because I believe it remembered that same flow. All right, great. So now we have that done. Now it's only a matter of just working in some additional start campaign. Let's see, navigations, let's remove that. This is start campaign. All right, so we want to remove any of this animation stuff in here. So we're going to put instant. All right, that'll work. This as well will go to the home page. If we can make it let me see something. Let me move this out of the way for a second. Not sure if we can make it go to its actual self, so we could just move this out, double click this and make it go here, and then just create an instance of it right there. There we go. All right, so those are all working. And then finally, we just take our links here, our home. This goes to home. This goes to add types. This goes to contact us, which is right here. We have login, and then we have start campaign. And then finally, we have some other links in here that you'll want to include as well. So pull this to start campaign, and there we go. Control A, we can see all these crazy connections. So we pull this out, we'll go to add types. We've got all the ads. Start campaign up here, that works. This goes here. Hate how the little overlay keeps showing up at the top of the browser. All these are working. Focus states. And of course you can integrate, more interactions here if you wish. But that is essentially it. So let's go over each of our desktop. We'll go ahead and play that. Here's the full experience on desktop, where we have this cool sort of overlay that we created. Here's the design as you would see it on desktop. Click on add types. Click on login. start campaign. All right. And then we add our tablet designs, which we know that what that looks like. And then finally the mobile. So that was quite a lengthy module, obviously, for this project-based course, but really we were just able to take everything that we've learned so far up into this course and put it together in a full UI UX project, essentially. So what we're going to do now in the next module is I'm going to put you to the task to do something similar. Now, I'm not going to have the requirement of having so many pages and such. I think there will only be one subpage for this challenge, so that you're not sitting here, for weeks or a week trying to figure out, trying to prepare a project just for the sake of this course. But I do want to see what you come up with, and I'm going to give you almost 100% control. The only thing you'll have at your disposal is a client brief. So I will see you then.